find the area of his back that I want to get to. And it might be over here. So I want to go there and go touch. That's what I've got to find. And then I hold my partner there. And then I have one hand on where I want to connect to and the other hand on his bridge. Go, oh, there's my connection. I can find it now. So do whatever it takes to get those connections there. Then go back to the exercise and then do the release opening, and then after the opening and releasing are different. They're extensions of the same thing, but they're very different energetically. Opening is just simply to move the balance out. Releasing is to, once it's open, now you can take something out. So if there's a tension, an emotion, you have to open them before you can release the tension. So the exercise we did yesterday, opening the balance, as an extension of that, you can release whatever you feel after the balance is open. Now, if you just kept opening, it would actually look very similar. The person would just float. It's the same as if you're releasing tension. But to release something is actually more difficult. The moment you start releasing it, his unconscious is going to go, maybe I want to keep that. Maybe I don't want to let it go. So unconsciously, there'll be a degree of the person resisting you, and how much you've got them open first as to how well you can release what you're feeling. So it's much easier to open than to actually release. So the basic theme now is, if I want to get to a part of his body and I can't feel it, one hand on the bridge, one hand where you want to get the connection, find it, and then you can release, because you can influence what you can feel much more easily. You're in resonance with what you're feeling, you're on the frequency of what you're feeling, and your mind will affect what you're feeling. If it's a bit vague, you'll get a vague response. If it's clear, you'll get a clear response. So to get it more clear, touch the point you want to get to, touch the arm, make those connections. When you're doing the calves or ankles, just kneel down and bring it to it and go, okay, there it is, and then release. So you can get that connection happening. And you want to look at that and go, there it is, I'm in there. And then choose what you're going to do.